Are you looking for the best wireless headphones for iPad Pro, iPad Air and iPad Mini? In this video we will look at some of the best wireless headphones for iPad Pro, iPad Air and iPad Mini on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Apple AirPods Pro Wireless Headphones. If you don't want the fuss of connecting a pair of wired headphones with your iPad, then Apple AirPods Pro is perfect for you. The compact headphones offer booming audio with a punch of bass required to make the music sound even better. Superior to the previous version of AirPods, the AirPods Pro offers an even better and immersive sound. No matter whether you need the best quality headphones for the gym, or you just need it to enjoy watching a movie, Apple AirPods Pro makes a perfect choice. Also, the headphones reconnect automatically with the paired device after you open the charging case lid. Siri is always at hand with AirPods Pro, and you call Siri anytime to do the tasks for you. AirPods Pro is not only good for listening to songs but also you can use them to make calls and to attend video conference meetings with ultimate clarity. The headphones have active noise cancellation that eliminates all types of noise and distortions. At number 2, Powerbeats Pro Wireless Earphones. Do you hate the headphones that pop out from your ears while you are moving? Well, have a look at these wireless iPad-compatible earbuds from Powerbeats. The ear hooks are there to keep the headphones at the place, and you can run on your treadmill freely without worrying about anything. The audio quality offered by the headphones is phenomenal and you can use them for watching movies and listening to songs. Furthermore, the battery life is good and the charging case is always there with extra charging backup. These earbuds for iPad offer an unmatched sound experience. The sound drivers installed on the headphones are best in quality, and you can use the headphones on flights and while traveling. The headphones are totally wireless and offer a connectivity range of 50 feet. After a complete charge, the headphones offer a playtime of 9 hours. You can recharge the earbuds on the go using the charging case. In short, these iPad-compatible headphones from Powerbeats are perfect if you want to watch multiple movies and shows without running out of the battery. Powerbeats Pro has a reinforced design for ultimate resistance against sweat and water. You can use headphones while exercising. Moreover, these support Siri, so you don't have to reach out to your iPad to change the music tracks or to accomplish some other tasks. At number 3, Beats Solo 3 Wireless Headphones. If long battery life is your preference, then these headphones from Beats are an excellent choice. The wireless headphones are compatible with all iOS devices, and you can use them with your iPhone and MacBook as well. When we say award-winning sound quality, we mean it. The big sound drivers offer fine-tuned acoustics with excellent clarity and balance. You can use the headphones for listening to any type of music, and for watching movies and shows on Netflix and Amazon Prime. These headphones from Beats may appear big, but these are portable. You can fold the headphones and Beats offer a carrying case that protects the headphones in your backpack. Also, the big ear cushions add more comfort to the headphones while making it lightweight and handy. The battery life is fantastic, and a single charge lasts around 40 hours. Making it the best wireless headphones for traveling. The availability of fast fuel charging and Type-C port makes the charging process real quicker. At number 4, Bose Noise Cancelling Wireless Bluetooth Headphones. Bose is here again with a pair of iPad-compatible headphones that offer better sound quality than most of the headphones in the same budget. The over-ear headphones come with built-in Alexa, and you can also activate Siri whenever required. Bose has designed the headphones especially for the users like you who love to watch movies with ultimate dialogue clarity. Also, music lovers count on Bose 700 headphones due to unrivaled audio it offers. The best part is the availability of a built-in mic, and you can attend those important calls with ultimate voice clarity using these iPad-compatible headphones. If you are the one who doesn't have enough time to charge headphones, then Bose 700 should be your choice. A single charge offers a playtime playtime of 20 hours, which is surely impressive. You can charge the headphones quickly using the USB Type-C cable. Bose 700 headphones guarantee the comfort you can expect from a high-quality pair of headphones for your iPad. The touch-sensitive controls eliminate the hassles of reaching the iPad to attend calls and to adjust the volume. At number 5, Sony over-ear headset with mic. Sony is here with a pair of versatile headphones that work with iPad Pro, iPad Air, iPad mini and other models as well. The wireless headphones are easy to connect and you can pair them with your iPad in merely some seconds. These headphones are foldable and you can pack them right away in your backpack using the carrying case. Whether you are a traveler or you need a pair of headphones for relaxing in your room, Sony WH-XB900N is a good choice. These headphones by Sony offer mind-blowing sound with the richness of bass. You can use the headphones for watching movies, listening to your favorite track and for making crystal clear calls. The availability of the Sony app makes it easy to adjust the bass, as some users thought that it is a bit high. The battery life is what we can call impressive. You can watch multiple movies and TV shows back to back without putting the headphones on charging. Sony WH-XB900N offers a playtime of 30 hours, so you will get 30 hours of uninterrupted fun. The fast charging support helps in recharging the headphones quickly for added fun without waiting for too long. There are multiple touch controls available on the headphones, so you don't need the iPad handy to adjust the volume. It includes activating the noise cancellation, accepting, rejecting calls, adjusting volume, and much more. At number 6, LilGadgets Kids Headphones. LilGadgets is here with one of the best kids headphones for iPad that you can get for your little one. These headphones are very great to use and your kid can wear it for a prolonged time to enjoy watching cartoons and movies. The adjustable ear cups and soft padding make the headphones a better choice for all kids more than 4 years of age. These headphones from LilGadgets deliver pleasant audio perfect for the kids. The headphones max out up to 93 decibels, making are ideal for kids and toddlers. You can rest assured that these headphones will not cause any hearing disability to the kids even if they use it for an extended time. The headphones offer a playtime of around 12 hours after a single charge. Talking about the standby time, then these kids headphones are capable of delivering 180 hours of standby time. If your kids forget to charge the headphones, then they can use it with the 3.5mm audio cable by connecting it with the iPad. LilGadgets guarantees ultimate comfort with the headphones. The soft ear cups are gentle on the skin and kids can wear the headphones without facing and itching and irritation. At number 7, Riwbox Baby Headphones. Here is another quality pair of headphones for kids that don't squish their heads and is easy to wear. The adjustable headband comes with soft padding that will reward the little one with extra comfort. Moreover, the sound is perfect for kids and the LED makes it an even better choice when it comes to picking the good baby headphones for iPad. The eardrums of kids are more sensitive than adults. That's why these headphones are a good choice. The audio sensitivity is around 85 decibels and your kids can enjoy using these LED lighting headphones to watch cartoons on the iPad. Kids love headphones that are comfortable, so Riwbox Wait 7S Bluetooth headphones is a perfect present for them. The adjustable headband and the soft ear cups make kids feel comfortable while wearing the headphones. These iPad-compatible headphones are highly versatile and can be used wirelessly and with a wire in case you run out of charge. The over-ear design prevents noise from entering the ears, so your beloved children can enjoy listening to lullabies and watching their favorite YouTube videos.